Bula Vinaka, beautiful people. Bula Vinaka, everyone. Bula Bula Bula. Guten Tag. From us here in Germany. Hope everything is okay. All is well. Guys, I'm just waiting now for Joss from Munster. So today we are heading again to Gütersloh. Cyrus is inviting for Kava and also to watch some rugby match. So Six Nations, Italy and Ireland. Oh, Italy, England. So it's happening this afternoon. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Joss from Munster to come pick me up, and also taking some food. So we are going to enjoy some food there. It's a surprise, I don't want to open it. So I prepared the food. No, that's from Connie. Calamari with rice. Alright. Tosso boys. Bula Vinaka, everybody. I'm here in the car with Joss from Munster. Finally he's here.
Bula Kava.
So now we are listening to the new song.
Plus Manda.
New remix.
Rolling down kana matamu yang kwanta.
Ayo. Grog manda ni kwa. Still have time. So guys, this is the Fijian Kaivit in Germany song, but I remixed the song to get it into the modern trend. Little bit of reggaeton. So now we're leaving Sassenberg.
Agora você dina, eu sou
Welcome to Gütersloh. Shake it. Oh.
Never know any wooden house.
Wakandua. Gütersloh. This is the Sigidrigi owns the Sigidrigi is the Turangani Matangalia. So all his apartment is like made of wood. Alright guys, we are here. Let's go. It's raining, man. Lili no namo Sigidrigi. Tau nauda. Oh. So guys, today we'll try the cocaine Kava. The same cocaine Kava Sigidrigi is talking about. This is Sigidrigi's neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood. Guys, in this neighborhood they super know each other a lot. So if you're celebrating a party, birthday, listening to music, loud music, shouting, they don't care because they also do that. So Sigidrigi's Nay is staying on the other side. The auntie. This is the house which has the cocaine Kava. Alright guys, so points 17-21. Come on Italy. You go there England you go.
Sana Italy.
Io talo Italy. Seba king England man. Utina kartu da ka bevici na World Cup seba king England mbulo zara. Pambula mata, pambula.
Dumbul. Bula, total na kami sing baro ko may takatolang na sargito. May bito na bilo.
Cocaine.
Ah, sargito man
17-24. 54 minutes.
Half time 17-14 to Luto Italy.
Fuck.
On my brother. Brother Victor is here, our champion from last week.
Don't worry about Trump.
Okay guys, ready for the next game? Scotland vs Wales. Second basin. Time check.
Third basin.
Second. Punya ba kon chiko. Became 2 second. Gori pambula berto na geng ni
Heartland. Heartland.
Ambulten Heartland.
On talchung na grog. On tuan sargito.
Pambula bi Tony den pida kau.
Oyo kay den bolo naka Tony
Benamo si.
namu.
Woi, ngenamo siya. Ayo posta ka na video pa na Facebook. Tudo kau. Woi, tu mebe ngor sin koken ngor nang na pufta. O tsara, woi kerang ngor. Dombula may UK pinabalik na siya matumay. Kita bambula tu ni ko samai sampai di mokustel tu na yang ko na
Coca.
rongo bakia na coca. Coconati. Prata sini be bambula tu motuanga.
Iya, don't pull me go to. Sasa.
Asa. Dosar na ser ni asa.
Iya, don't ser.
On Sir Willis.
Tiene ser slam.
Time to brother.
No, la fesa, ini tu sa.
Estamos dito na Cernifigens in Germany. Rico. Nada la daba de calar agua da Kava. Ni beisau nalomamu mobiltiau. Solo mai. Te kivu mai ni mea kondewa mai kisuva grema tomani no mubuli toro dake university ni deva sakitina aurui mosita diva mewa kolewa mata kamida Noch ein Mix. Ronalose.
Yeah.
Come on, Scott Alanzi.
But they're losing bonus to go there. Willis.
Game is over, but there's still time, so they are trying to score the try to get a bonus point.
Kaliwa first.
Kaliwa chini, mbona kami kira dami waktu kita kena first half?
Taloba.
Siya. Dahil release mo berkena foods. Hey, come on, man. Game's over, guys. So, 27-26. Man, unlucky, man, that last play. Umon din na.
Sini anu
ini.
Kamu apa?
Oh, kita kalau nggak tadi tunggu tuilo mai. Yang minggu. Tapi bisa rupa. Mama teko amanta. Cameraman, kira-kira. Tapi taga buas yang pasti show di mana kota wasin nama sama. Oh, dengan nunggu bro terus ada gila itu meninggal mea. Pura-pura lagi. Terus harga nasiare.
Jadi kita sarap ingam ya. Stop it.
Okay guys, I'm running away now. Too much. I'm super Kava dog. This cocaine Kava is kicking me.
Muotto ka.
Sholat ko nga.
Olo main English.
Baru weka, ortu mena kiamba sinlaga, brother. Dumode. Naka. And we are heading back home. So now we are arriving in Haswinkel. We are in Griffin now, guys. Where we got married is that building there. There with the lights there on the side. Behind this main restaurant, Pinocchio. So from Griffin is directly to Sassenbeck. Tosso boys! Welcome home to Sassenberg. Zassenberg. $10 p.m. Saturday evening, good timing to finish off with Kava, because tomorrow we have 3 days of Rugby. So we are heading back home. So now we are in Griffin. We are heading back home. So now we have 3 days of Rugby. So tomorrow we have 3 days of Rugby. So we have 3 days of Rugby. church plan. Welcome to Tangimodia Drive. It's full. Oh, behind this van. So guys, we have to park our car here because they are repairing our driveway. Driveway. Alright, let's go. Get the food. Guys, I'm at home now, ready for food. The food which Cyrus has prepared. So it's beef bones with cabbage, gobi, lemon and chili is there. Already say the prayer. Add some broth on top. Okay, already say the prayer. Let's dive in. You want to try?
Thank you.
My mother. Run outside. Rosota. Dalo. Kasser na levena, kasser. Some more broth there. Salad. Dalo. Molly and chili. Pull it once again, guys. Yeah, before we finish the vlog for today, big shout out to Dente the cow and Ronnie Vasteri and your family in France, Dente the cow in England, Andy Vani, Ronnie Vasteri's daughter, for always watching our vlog. And to all you friends and families out there who always follow us on our vlogs. And big vinagapakalevu to Serusi for hosting us tonight. And yeah, beautiful vibe, good vibe. Watching rugby, and also Bula Vinaga to the two gentlemen who joined us late tonight. Forgot their names, Isoa and forgot the other one. One from Lomaiviti, one from Gambia. And to brother Jos from Munster, and my brother Victor So from us, back at home now, ready for bed. And yeah, big shout out to everyone out there. And please don't forget, let's keep on praying for each other. Stay safe, stay blessed. Isamote, sototali, tosobus.